StudioLink system is based around a 3x3 meter chroma key background that can be set up in minutes. Its ample size allows me to film from a good distance, giving me enough width and height for most subjects. With the StudioLink system, extra room can easily be created in minutes by adding an extra panel next to the first. Once in place and connected, a simple connecting strip makes the edge of the frame look seamless. The problem I face a lot of the times on set is being able to shoot low angle shots pointing up. To achieve this, we're flying 2 extra panels to be able to get clearance above the character's head. One of the things I love about the StudioLink system is its portability. Out on location, StudioLink is a reliable way of masking out any space, large or small. You can connect multiple screens together to cover a large expanse of space. You can also create a large 180 or even a 360-degree setup, which gives me all the freedom I need when creating a shot. Creases can be a nightmare when chroma keying, and having a piece of material that's pulled so taut that you don't get any creases at any given time makes post-production so much easier.